Greetings everyone. Today I'd like to talk about my new tool I developed which implement the Iupdater interface, which we could use to monitor the changes that happen in the Revit document, especially the added elements. I actually targeted some specific categories such as communication devices, data devices, telephone devices, security devices, the categories which a low current engineer mostly use in a project. Without further ado, let's dive in to the demonstration. As you can see, this is a sample project from Autodesk. I have here a bunch of racks in ground level and level 1, rack G1, rack G2, and then level above rack for cameras. I made a specific tab for this updater. I called it Auto Device Circuiting. Of course, you have the ability to toggle on and off the updater. By default, the updater is running in the background. You want it to turn it off when you're not using it, and turn it back on when you want to place some data devices and you want to automate your work. First, we click on the configure button here. It simply asks you to select a rack or a panel which you want to connect to. Currently, the selected panel is cam-rack. You can click on that combo box. You will see the available panels in your project. I will choose rack-G2 and click pick. Now the default the default panel is selected, and every instance you put from now on will be connected to that panel. Let's go to System, choose Data, and simply place an instance for each one, like this, and simply click the Modify button twice or escape twice from the keyboard. You'll see that each outlet is connected to the rack specified in the config button and made a home run for this outlet and a tag. We can simply repeat this process again by clicking the config. If I want this time to change the rack, let's pick this time the rack-G1, and again System, Device Outlet, let's put it in here like this, and click Modify twice. As you can see, now the panel is changed, a new circuit is created, and with this tool you can actually make you work a lot faster. Let's try on cameras this time. Let's first config another panel. We go to the APM Engine Updaters, then we click on the button config and we choose another rack. Let's pick cam-rack and click pick. Then we go to System, Security, place some cameras like this, here, there, and there, whatever, and then click Modify twice. As you can see, it all connected together. One very important note to make in mind that updaters are working in the background. So if you decided to, let's say you want to stop the process from creating circuits automatically and you want just to check something, I made this feature that we can toggle on and off the updater itself. When we toggle off, we can simply put an instance of the communication device or data device without being circuited, like this. If we go there and put, nothing will happen. And click here, and click Modify twice. Nothing will be created. There are still no circuit. If we want to toggle back on, we simply put click on the green button, and then go here, Data, and we click Modify twice, and we'll be connected. Simple as that. Thank you.